We are a respected law firm with a long history of success in the personal injury area. If you've been injured in an accident or by the negligence of others, our experienced personal injury lawyers will provide skillful legal representation at the negotiating table, or if necessary, in federal court. We'll protect your rights. If you've suffered a serious injury, you are legally entitled to compensation for your injuries as soon as possible, and that compensation should cover all of your losses. If you aren't being treated fairly by the insurance company, you need strong and aggressive representation in court. If you need help getting the compensation that you are entitled to, trust our firm to handle your case as our #1 priority. Please contact us for a no-obligation free consultation today to better understand your rights. Remember, if we don't win, you don't pay.